Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and recently I wrote an article. Do you read my articles? Anyway, recently I wrote an article about putting your workout on hold. And basically I gave a brief 5-minute isometric workout that you can do at home that is pretty good for you. Why would you want to do isometric workouts? Well, honestly, that's really the first way you started building strength as a child. You had this little tug of war or battle against gravity, and that ended in stalemates, where you would just hold yourself up against gravity as long as you could until eventually gravity weighed you down and then you had to rest again. But you can use isometrics to build great strength and stability. And if you have stability, well, then you have mobility. So really you can use isometrics to just help you move better, and which is kind of weird because isometrics are kind of, they're motionless most of the time, they're still. But you can use motionless movement or still movement or isometric holds to move better. And again, it makes you stronger. But anyway, enough talk. Let me just show you the easy 5-minute routine that I was talking about in the article called putting your workout on hold. Because it was cleverly named because we were just holding positions for 30 seconds at a time. So the first part of the workout was to hold speed skaters for 30 seconds. Now, this may seem, it's easy and simple in concept, but you might find that this is not exactly easy. And that's good, because if it's a challenge, awesome. And if it becomes easy, well, then you find a way to make it more challenging, like maybe you put a weight on your head, or maybe you put ankle weights on your ankles or your wrist to make it more of a challenge. Anyway, this is the workout. You just do this for 30-second holds. Well, in the article, I gave a 5-minute routine, but you could make this 10 minutes or 20 minutes if you wanted to. But anyway, it starts out with speed skaters. You do 2 rounds of 30-second holds here, going from one side to the other, like so. And then the next part is an isometric cross crawl hold. So you're just holding here for 30 seconds. Now you could hold a hand to knee like I'm doing, or you could try to hold elbow. You could try to hold elbow to knee. And you would do this for 30 seconds while you still breathe. And that's the most important part. You want to still maintain belly breathing or diaphragmatic breathing while you do this. And that is what makes you strong. So we're just doing these holds while we're breathing. And I know it sounds weird, but you can actually build strength through doing this. So you would do these holds for 30 seconds at a time, and if you can't see from the side, it's just this. So the knee and elbow are touching. Now, if you want to make this harder, you keep your feet plantar flexed. This is dorsiflexed, this is plantar flexed. So you would do both sides for 30 seconds twice. And then after that, we do the strong as a baby hold for a minute. So it's speed skaters on each side for 30 seconds twice, and then it's the cross crawl touch for 30 seconds twice, and then it's the strong as a baby hold here for a minute, which if you put all those together, that's 5 minutes of isometric strength training, putting your workout on hold. And it's a very simple routine. You may find that it's not necessarily easy to do. You can probably see my legs starting to shake a little bit. But anyway, you would want to hold this for a minute while you still breathe into your belly. All right, that's it. That's our simple 5-minute put your workout on hold routine. Give it a shot and let us know what you think. It is almost as fun as you think, but let us know anyway. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.